Hey friends, welcome back. We are going to start our broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts today. Starting them today indoors so they're protected from the white butterfly spawn and so they won't bolt. And then we're going to plant them out late summer for a fall crop. So starting them now. In my area, I think this will work well because I'm trying something different from last year, which didn't work well. If you want to have a fall crop, I would consider starting your seeds for stuff like that now as well. Or you can buy from this nursery later if you want to. Golden acre cabbage, red acre cabbage, green calabrese broccoli, Romanesco broccoli, early white cauliflower, Snowball X cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. They're red ones. Don't those look neat? So my stuff always bolts. I tried Brussels sprouts one year, didn't go so well because of the white butterfly. And then the cabbage does good. The cabbage doesn't bolt, it does fine. But then the broccoli and cauliflower always bolt. I've never ever gotten a good harvest. Spring or fall, summer, anywhere in there, doesn't work out. So, and I've direct sown the seeds in the past and then not at the right time and didn't get anything. So starting early, starting indoors where I can keep them indoors for a while and plant them out at a good time. So when the garlic comes out and the onions come out, they will go into this bed. So it'll be perfect. Out with one, in with another. That way we're using the beds for the whole season. Probably we'll have one bed for these things and the other bed will be like carrots and beets and other stuff like that. So that's the plan. Trying a new thing this year and hoping for the best. I think it'll work out a lot better though because I can keep them protected inside and keep an eye on them. And if they don't survive, I can start a new seed real quick and yeah, safe from the elements and the pests. How many we got here? 5? 2 came up here. Oh, 6? It's only been a few days, so that's exciting. I need to move this to light that I can, heavy, that I can adjust. I should probably put those lower. That should be good. Well, I'm glad that's done. Hopefully we have success this time because very little success with the brassicas. I think it's because the spring doesn't last too terribly long and things bolt and timing and all that. It goes from freezing to hot. I mean, this spring and last spring have been pretty nice actually, but I didn't try this spring for those things because it never works. So we'll see how the fall goes. I hope it goes well. Here's a reminder for you to do the same if that's something that you want to do, and I will see you later. Subscribe and keep an eye out because we'll be dealing with these in the future. So I will see you later. Have a wonderful day. I'll pop up some videos for you to watch, and feel free to like and subscribe. Bye.